A crypto exchange is a platform when you buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. Think of it like a bank, but for digital assets. The most popular ones are Binance, Coinbase, and Bybit. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world. It offers low fees, hundreds of coins, and advanced tools like futures and staking. But it can feel overwhelming if you're just starting out. Coinbase is beginner friendly and high regulated. It's simple to use and considered very secure. The downside? Higher fees and fewer advanced features. Bybit is popular among traders. It's fast, intuitive, and great for futures trading with leverage. But it's less beginner focused and comes with higher risk. What is important? Never keep all your crypto on an exchange. If the platform fails, you can lose everything. Always think about security first. Remember, start simple, learn the basics, and choose your exchange wisely. It matters more than you think.